In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize attachments. By the end, your images, PDFs, and other files will land exactly where you want them in your Obsidian vault, so your notes stay tidy and easy to maintain. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault you want to configure. Everything we set here applies to this vault's behavior when you paste images, record audio, or drag files into your notes. Next, open Settings. You can click the gear icon, typically in the lower left corner of the app. This is where Obsidian keeps all of the preferences that affect how your content is created, linked, and stored. From the Settings sidebar, choose Files and Links. This panel controls where attachments are saved and how links are written in your notes. It's the central place for organizing the flow of files so you don't end up with a messy vault. Find the section labeled Default Location for new attachments. This setting decides what happens the moment you add a file to a note. Getting this right up front saves time later and prevents scattered folders. If you choose Vault Folder, Obsidian will place every new attachment directly in the top level of your vault. This keeps things simple and makes it easy to find all attachments in one place, but it can clutter the root of your vault if you add a lot of files. If you prefer a single dedicated folder, select in the folder specified below. With this option, Obsidian saves all attachments into the specific folder you choose, such as attachments or media. It's great for people who want a central repository that's separate from their notes. For project-based work, consider same folder as current file. With this option, each attachment is stored right alongside the note you're working on. It keeps everything portable, so when you move a notes folder, its related files go with it. Finally, select in subfolder under current folder if you like each note's attachments grouped neatly within a subfolder beneath that notes folder. For example, you might use a subfolder named Assets or Images. This keeps the notes main folder clean while still keeping related files close by. Pick the option that best matches how you think and work and stay consistent. Centralized folders make global cleanup easy, while per note or per project storage makes moving or archiving projects straightforward. After you set your preference, add a quick image or file to a test note to confirm everything lands where you expect. That's it. With these settings in place, your attachments will be organized automatically, keeping your vault clean and your workflow fast.